What is the best way to wash a jersey to avoid shrinkage?
Hello there, sports fans and jersey enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common problem we all face: shrinkage. Jerseys are not just pieces of fabric, they represent our support for our favorite teams and players. Hence, it's essential to preserve their quality. Let's dive into the best way to wash a jersey to avoid shrinkage.
Why do jerseys shrink?
Jerseys shrink mainly because of heat exposure. This can come from hot water during washing or high heat during drying. The heat causes the fibers in the jersey to tighten up and reduces the overall size of the garment. This is why it's crucial to use the right temperature and method when washing and drying your jersey.
Pre-washing steps.
Before we start washing, here's a little preparation. Always check the care label on your jersey. The label has specific instructions tailored to the fabric of your jersey. Ignoring these instructions might lead to shrinkage or other types of damage.
Washing the jersey.
When it's time to wash, remember this golden rule: use cold water. This is the safest temperature to prevent shrinkage. Also, consider using a gentle cycle to avoid harsh movements that can stretch or strain the fabric. Turn the jersey inside out before washing. This protects the print or embroidery on the jersey from direct contact with the washing machine, which can cause wear and tear. Try using a mild detergent. Some detergents can be harsh on delicate fabrics, causing them to shrink or fade.
Drying the jersey.
After washing, avoid using a dryer as the high heat can cause shrinkage. Instead, opt for air drying. Lay the jersey flat on a clean, dry towel and roll it up to absorb most of the water. After that, unroll the towel and leave the jersey to dry flat. This prevents any stretching that could occur if you hang the jersey. And that's a wrap on our guide to washing jerseys without causing shrinkage. With these tips, you should be able to keep your jersey in top shape for many games to come. Remember, the key is to avoid heat and harsh conditions. Happy washing and go team!